And one matter, even 13th of November.
Chalicho. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, may I be pleased to mention this matter? On 13th of November, Your Lordship has been pleased to fix the matter on 26th as returnable.
I have fixed.
Yes, Lordship. The order, in the second page of the order, that the matter shall appear under the heading New Motion on November 26th.
একটা নতুন পেন দিতে বলবে। Yes. এখান থেকে তুলে না একে। নতুন পেন দিও। হ্যাঁ।
I'm only praying instead of 26th, if it could be 27th, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Instead of 26th November, I am praying if it can be 27th November.
Let it appear then. Next.
My lord, may be permitted to mention, my lord. This matter was due to appear.
এখান থেকে যেন কিছু না ছড়ে। হ্যাঁ, yes.
My lord, this matter was due to appear today at 3:45. This matter was due to appear at 3:45, my lord, today.
355.
3:45.
No question of 355, 380, 49.
That will appear any day, my lord.
What is the heading? For hearing of suit?
Witness, my lord, witness.
No. Huh?
Any day, my lord, as per the convenient.
Next.
May I have Your Lordship kindly
Mention after February.
I have Your Lordship kindly to mention this matter, Your Lordship, this suit. I am for the plaintiff.
Yes, yes. What do you want?
I am for the plaintiff. The suit was filed. Now, Your Lordship, there are 3 errors, out of which one mistake is the cost
In
title.
the order.
In the cost title, Your Lordship, I have filed a plaint. In the cost title, inside jurisdiction or outside jurisdiction, that part has not been incorporated.
Take out an application. Next.
Your Lordship.
Next.
Item number 1 for judgment.
Respondent.
I'm for the petition.
Judgmental file কোথায়? বাহাদুর তো আনবে না লিস্ট ফর দ্য ওই শোনো এই কারোরা fed up. Just fed up.
Helplessness.
Sometimes really I think just fed up. First over করে রাখো, ওটা প্রোনাউন্স করে দেবো আজকে, ডেটে আছে আমার, রেডি আছে কি just
Extension. I'm appearing for HDFC Bank.
expiring interim order. When?
Expiring
today.
Lord, I'm appearing for bank, madam.
Show me the last date of extension.
This order was passed by Your Lordship on the vacation bench on 16th of October. Extended again on 31st of October. Letter of credit, Your Lordship will probably recall.
Extended. Where is the extension order?
31st October 2025 is the...
Give me the order.
Yes.
Who is for the defendant?
My lord, I am for the bank, my lord, the number 2,
Who
my
are
lord.
the defendants? देखिए कागज
There are
Bank.
two.
And the other was the German party that went into insolvency. But I'll be
আসুন। Mr. Shuddha Sattva Banerjee, Learned Counsel, appears for the plaintiff. Stroke petitioner. MS
Shweta Mukherjee. Shweta Mukherjee.
Shweta Mukherjee, Learned Counsel, appears for defendant oblique respondent number 2. Stroke bank. Dash bank করুন, dash bank. None appears for the respondent number 1. Paragraph. The interim order last extended on October 31, 2025 survives till today.
yes, ma'am.
Till today. Comma. The same stands extended, further extended till February 20, 2026. 2026. ঠিক আছে? Or until further order, whichever is earlier. এটা I'm keeping it.
Yes, yes.
এটা এখানে ঢুকিয়ে রাখো।
Great, ma'am.
Next. আরে এটা গেঁথে তো রাখো, অর্ডারটা কোথায়? আসল অর্ডারটা তো থাকা উচিত, সেটা তো নেই এখানে।
Due motion, item number 3.
Milord, my application, Milord, in order
Please, I
13A,
appear on
Milord,
defendants.
order 13A, Milord, of the Commercial Courts Act.
Affidavits.
Affidavits possibly not required. Milord, may I just show my lord's last order? They have sought for an adjournment to file their affidavit on 3 different
Lordship.
occasions. And may I just submit, and then my learned friend will have right of audience. If my lord kindly takes paragraph
Now last.
5 to 7, Milord.
Oh, you have filed judgment upon admission
Yes,
as well as
yes,
summary.
Yes.
Choose one, choose one.
Both, Milord.
You have to elect one.
Lord, they have. I can satisfy my lord that they have no defense, and my lord can pass a decree here and now.
Where is the why judgment upon admission and summary judgment together?
Possibly there is no impediment, Lord. Possibly there is no impediment subject to my
So
understanding.
which one I shall take up?
My lord, will kindly take out my summary judgment, my lord.
Summary judgment.
Chapter
So you are abandoning your judgment upon
No, no.
admission.
There are admissions. My summary judgment is on the basis of their admission.
Then why 2 applications? Choose one.
Possibly we have.
Elect one.
What is the summary judgment?
Why burdening the court with unnecessary records?
My lord, what happened? May I just indicate the facts?
No,
Possibly.
no. What is the difference? Why you will take out 2?
May I just indicate, my lord? First, there was an admission on records on the basis whereof the order 12 application in the nature of order 12 rule 6 was taken out. Thereafter, my lord, there were multiple settlements offers between the parties where they admitted that this due. They came and offered during the hearing of the application under order 12 rule 6 that they want to settle the matter. On the premise thereof, my lords was of the opinion, or before, they did it before that. My lords was of the opinion that the matter can be settled and steps may be taken for the purposes of settlement. Thereafter, my lord, we found out that after talks of settlement, admitting my dues, they have now taken steps to further engage into further businesses in relation to these goods without first satisfying my decree, satisfying my dues, my lord. That is why my chapter 13A, order 13A application.
Why? What is the difference? If you find
Yes.
something which they are doing
Yes,
contrary to their promise,
yes.
you will be seeking an injunction. So why chapter 13A again? For
Because
summary decree and judgment upon
May
admission.
I indicate, my lord, this has perhaps been filed because there are certain admissions made in certain emails. However, my lord, those I can explain. If your lordship takes the last order, I was supposed to
Let
file
me file affidavit.
my lord, it's
May
ready,
I
my
just say
lord,
this
only a week's time.
they
my
have
lord,
been
we will-
granted an opportunity on multiple occasions to file their
That is
affidavit.
correct.
May I just seek my lord's kind judication on one aspect, my lord. Kindly puts them on terms once again. Hears me out on Monday. I am led by Mr. Gupta, who is on the virtual mode, who could not appear today, my lord. I am otherwise ready to argue the matter. Kindly keeps the matter on Monday. I shall come
I'm only
and
requesting, my lord, 1 week. My client is in Chennai. He'll be coming down, my lord. The affidavit is ready. If your lordship takes it up next week, we shall affirm and
This is
file
which
the
one I am taking? Which application?
I believe
GA3, my
GA3.
lord.
GA3.
GA3. IAGA 3 of 2025.
This is for summary judgment.
Injunction.
No, admission.
IAGA 3 is a summary judgment.
Yes.
Yes, file affidavit. Affidavit direction is already there
It was given,
previously.
my lord. It was I'm slightly out of time, my lord. It is ready. It shall be filed in a week if subject to your lordship's allowing me, my lord. My client is only in Chennai. That is the only difficulty, my lord.
Ashul. This is an application filed by the plaintiff praying for summary judgment.
Lord, may I just, I'm sorry, my lord, I'm interrupting my lord at the time of dictation of the order, my lord. If my lord can kindly take up the application once, possibly, my lord,
Why?
the GA3, my lord, is my application for summary judgment. GA2, my lord, was my learned friend's application for extension of time to file the written statement.
Allowed.
Possibly that has been allowed. GA1, my lord, was my application for seeking for injunction, my lord. Possibly, my lord, subject to the my lord's kind consideration, my lord. The recording, my lord, that has gone in paragraph 1 of order dated 16 September 2020.
For judgment upon admission.
Possibly, my lord, subject to my lord's.
It is not correct.
Yes.
Show me your application.
If
Let
my
me
lord
see the
kindly
way.
takes my G1 to know.
Show me your
If my
master
lord
summons.
kindly takes my master summons, my lord. G1 to
Judgment, final judgment and decree. Summary judgment.
Yes, ma'am.
কি বললাম?
Subject to my lord's kind consideration.
Postal. Paragraph. By an order dated September 16, 2025, the coordinate bench directed the parties to file and exchange their affidavits. Paragraph. Today, Mr.
Obhidipto Tarafdar. Obhidipto Tarafdar.
Obhidipto Tarafdar, learned advocate appearing for the
Defendant.
defendant,
Sole defendant.
prays for an extension of time to file affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Paragraph. Mr.
Pourush Bandapatya.
Pourush Bandopadhyay, learned advocate appearing for the plaintiff, has opposed the prayer. Full stop. Paragraph. For the ends of justice, a peremptory opportunity is granted for filing affidavit in opposition. Full stop. Paragraph. Defendant shall file, the time to file affidavit in opposition stands peremptorily extended till আজকে কত 20 December 10, 2025. Affidavit in reply, if any, thereto shall be filed by December 23, 2025. Paragraph. The matter shall appear under the heading adjourn motion. Now, chamber application for final disposal in the monthly list of January 2026.
In the interregnum, my lord, may I just indicate two things, my lord. They have gotten.
Take the microphone.
I'm sorry. May I just indicate one thing, my lord? They have gotten an opportunity to file this affidavit for more than 8 weeks, my lord. Admittedly, they are in delay. There has been an order of court, my lord, saying that if they don't file the application, if they don't file their affidavit, my application will be heard out. It is their submission that the affidavit will be filed in a shorter period of time. May I humbly
Next.
beseech, my lord, if a shorter period is given, my lord?
Next. হ্যাঁ ওই জাজমেন্টটা দেখে দাও
Judgment, item number 1.
Where is he gone? Where is your other side?
My lord, I'm being led by Mr. Dasgupta. He's on legs, so I'm appearing for the response.
So I'm pronouncing. Application dismissed with cost of 10,000.
Grateful.
শোনো, এই নম্বরটা দেখে লিখে রাখো, সার্ভারের পর একটা কপি নিয়ে আমার এই বড় ফাইলে ঢোকাবে, আর আজ ফাইলটা এখানে দাও। এটা নাও, আজ ফাইলটা দাও, এটা সাহেবদের দিয়ে দাও, ওনারা যদি দেখেন দেখে নিন। You want to look at it? Look at it. এটার নম্বর লিখে রাখো,
I'm grateful.
এটা যেন আজকে বিকেলবেলা আর্টস ফাইলে ঢুকে যায়। Yes, sorry.
Global Services.
On behalf of the plaintiff petitioner, well, 2 times summons has been issued upon the defendants. They have not appeared. Door was locked. ATM served. Thereafter, my lord,
You're
the
for the
last-
plaintiff.
well, I am for the plaintiff.
Where
I've
is the
taken out an
defendant? What is this application?
Well, this application is under summary judgment for summary judgment.
Summary.
13A.
Ashul.
Commercial courts.
Where is the defendant? Any order passed for
The
affidavit?
last order, my lord, passed by the court. Served upon them through email. And one, there were 2 emails, my lord. This is my affidavit of service, my lord.
Substituted service affected?
But I have served them through email in terms of the order, my lord. There were 2 emails coming from the ministry.
Doesn't matter. That's neither here nor there. That will be taken care of at the time of hearing of the suit, or if they come for filing affidavit.
My lord,
written
they have
statement.
no, my lord, one thing, my lord. But from 2022, my lord, the suit was filed. My lord, this application has been taken out in the month of January 2025. My lord, 2 times someone has been issued upon them. They have not received. Either they are keeping their doors locked. They are not replying anything, my lord. It is
Ashul, this is an application filed by the plaintiff. What's your name?
my lord, Tushan Mujumdar.
আচ্ছা, মাথার উপর affidavit of service filed in court today is taken on record. Where is the master summons? বাবা, master summons কোথায়? Master summons কোথায়? এত বড় মাস্টার সামন্স কোথায়? This is an application filed by the plaintiff praying for summary judgment. Paragraph. The record shows, along with the report of the yes. No. What is the spelling mistake? Huh?
Instead of S-E-double-R, it would be S-A-L-E. But may I read out the sentence?
How many places?
One that we have found here.
Go by the substance. along with the report of the record shows, including the report submitted by the office of the sheriff, that the writ of summons has not yet been served. As the door of the office of the defendant found to be locked. Full stop. Paragraph. The defendant has also not entered appearance. In view of the above, steps shall be taken by the plaintiff and the office of the sheriff in accordance with law for substituted service. Full stop. Service, substituted service of writ of summons. Paragraph. The notice for substituted service shall also mention gist of the case of the plaint, gist of the case made out in the plaint, and the said application for summary judgment, along with the directions for affidavit to be passed herein below. Along with the directions for affidavit passed today. Paragraph. The plaintiff shall file, the defendant shall file affidavit in opposition to the instant application on or before December 10, 2025, affidavit in reply, if any, thereto shall be filed on or before December 23, 2025. Paragraph. This application shall appear under the heading. Under the heading Chamber Application for Final Disposal in the monthly list of January 2026. Paragraph. Plaintiff shall file an affidavit of service when the matter shall be taken up next. Month is of February.
January.
Next.
I'm grateful.
Newspaper application. Item number 5.
So this is my execution. Lord, the decree of Lord over 2 crores has been passed.
Lord, I am appearing for
You have
the
examined.
judgment data. My lord, in this matter, my lord, my learned friend.
This is appearing for what?
Lord,
Lord, one
my
application has been taken.
GA1, in which my lord I have made several prayers. There were directions passed for filing of affidavits. And she has not.
My lord, I am
filed.
seeking extension.
Lord, that was a year back. Now, my lord, in terms of an order of this court, my lord, a sum of rupees 10 lakhs has been deposited with court. My lord, let that 10 lakhs rupees at least come to me for the timing. Prayer A in the master summons. In the
What is the nature of application in which that was directed?
No, it was in this application, in the execution.
Oh, acha.
It
Oh,
is
it is an execution.
It's an
So
execution.
they suffered the decree.
Yes.
Decree for how much?
2 crore 17 lakhs with interest, my lord, added interest of 12% per annum on 2 crore 7 lakhs.
Any appeal carried out?
No, my lord.
Tell me, how will you pay?
My lord, first of all, my lord, my client, my lord, has filed his affidavit of assets.
Has filed?
His affidavit of assets, my lord, he was being examined.
Doesn't matter. That
My
I
lord,
will take care of
my lord,
later.
kindly appreciate. Because whatever the assets he has disclosed before this honorable court, my lord. He was being examined by my learned friend. For 4 to 5 days, my lord, he was being examined. Thereafter, my learned friend had taken out an application, my lord, for passing of injunction and receiver. And my lord, the court has passed an order of injunction. And my lord, he has prayed for release of 10 lakhs, which was deposited with the registrar original side, my lord. My lord, injunction is already there so far as the property is concerned, my lord. Therefore, my lord, if my lord, your lordship will give me short time, my lord. I know there is direction was given there earlier, but it has not been filed for some reason whatsoever, my lord. 10 days time, I'll put in my affidavit,
No
my lord.
question of 10 days that money should go to him.
The
And
10
how
lakhs,
many?
let my learned friend take it. I'm not, my lord,
Now you tell me 50 lakhs when?
My lord, my client will not be able to pay, my lord. He was on box, my lord. Kindly examine him, my lord.
No question of
He was
examination.
under examination in chief, my lord. He
I
was
don't
being
believe
examined.
in that. First some money then.
My lord, he was
All
being
those
examined. He has filed his affidavit of assets, my lord.
Madam, he will be examined in due course.
He was being
Affidavit of
examined.
asset filing means what are the realizable assets to ascertain.
And my lord, he has disclosed, my lord, if my lord.
Correct. I don't disbelieve your client,
No, my
but
lord.
he must pay.
My lord, one thing is that, my lord, he has disclosed that he owes a substantial amount from several companies, my lord. So, my lord, even the.
So he has to wait for that.
The garnishing proceedings can be
So
initiated.
he has to wait for that. Very well. I am giving a date. If that amount is not paid, he will be arrested.
My
Then we
client will not be able to pay, my lord. He has no
warrant of arrest. Warrant of arrest.
My lord, he was under examination of.
Doesn't
He has
matter,
filed his
madam.
affidavit of assets.
Doesn't matter. 50 lakhs
My lord, he will not be able to pay. My lord, he has no means to pay. Whatever the assets he had, my lord, amounts which are already, he has to recover a more than sum of rupees 2 crores from 2 companies, my lord, Naturoveda.
Madam,
We have
that is
disclosed all
neither
these
here
documents,
nor there. Neither here nor there.
Those dates can be
Decree
attached, my lord.
Decree has
Garnishing
crystallized.
proceedings can be initiated, my lord.
The decree has crystallized. He has to pay first. Then.
My lord, he has no means to pay, my lord. He has filed his assets, my lord. He has disclosed his assets. And my lord, whatever the assets are, my lord,
So
they
what
can
will
be
happen?
used.
He will not be paid.
No,
The
I'm not
decree
saying he will not be
holder
paid.
will not be paid.
I'm not saying he will not be paid. My lord, he has made clear before this honorable court his position, my lord. What are his assets? What are his liabilities?
So if the assets worth of, according to you,
are sufficient to liquidate his dues.
So liquidate that.
My lord, these are the dues which he has to recover from various companies.
So is that an asset? Actionable claim not crystallized. It's an asset, you mean, madam? It's an actionable claim at best and not crystallized yet.
And
this is an asset.
And my lord, he had disclosed everything, my lord, from Naturoveda, my lord.
You tell me, madam, how much is realizable? Tell me.
My lord, the Naturoveda, the entire amount is realizable if it can be liquidated against the dues of my lord.
Madam, for that, one cannot wait eternity with its decree. You tell me, how will it be realizable? Tell me.
Lordship, we have furnished a particular notice can be issued upon Naturoveda, and my lord, they will deposit the amount, and my learned friend dues can be liquidated, my lord. It is not that my intention.
Who shall deposit?
The persons from whom I have to recover the money.
That you are claiming. On your claim, they will deposit. Think of a situation, madam. On your claim, they will deposit. A decree holder is cannot realize his dues, and there is no decree, nothing, he will deposit.
And my lord, whatever the assets I have, my lord, I have disclosed in my affidavit of assets.
So
I don't have any means now, my lord.
Tell me what is the worth of it.
Assets worth is, my lord, I don't have papers today, my lord, because
my
lord, my client is in Bangalore. He is not here, my lord. I have to take instruction, my lord, if he is in a position to pay some amount. 10 lakhs.
Question of some amount. Tell me, 50 lakhs.
My lord, he will not be able to pay. My lord,
I'll tell you, Lordship, the history. He evaded summons. Police from here had to go to Bangalore and arrest him and get him, and only then he deposited the 10 lakhs. and he did not disclose two assets.
So let him be
in the affidavit
permanently
of
arrested.
Yes.
You test your order.
Yes.
Test the order.
Milord,
Let
that
there
will
be
not,
a warrant of
Milord, that-
arrest. Let him be behind the bag.
Milord, he has
bound.
filed his affidavit of assets. He was under examination, Milord.
I don't believe on this. The 12 lakhs of assets, 2 crores decree.
No, he doesn't say 12 lakhs of assets, Milord. The
It's
assets
a,
are
it's a
much more.
commercial court, madam. It's a commercial court. It's not a regular suit court. So when you are before a commercial court, in a commercial court, the principle of Shylock comes. When before a commercial court.
Milord, he will not be able to pay. Milord, he is
So
not
let
in a
him be
position to
arrested
pay.
and stay for the time being.
He will not be in a position to pay. I'm very candid, Milord. I cannot make a promise before the court which cannot be honored, Milord.
Absolutely. You are creature of instruction.
Yes.
What will you do?
Cannot be honored, Milord.
What will you do?
Yes.
So let him be arrested.
Milord, that I cannot say, Milord, because he has put all cards before this honorable court, Milord. He has
If the
disclosed-
card shows only 12 lakhs against the 2 crore decree, then what will happen?
No, the assets are, Milord. In fact, he has to recover substantial amount.
Madam, that is not an asset in law. That is not an asset in law. It at best can be considered as an actionable claim, but not an asset.
Milord,
We
garnishing
consider-
proceedings can be initiated
No,
so
what
that my land
garnishee?
friend dues can be paid.
Why
Milord.
garnishee? Why garnishee? So first, let him be arrested, let him remain inside, then everything can be seen.
Milord, that will not help, Milord, in recovering the dues,
Doesn't
Milord.
matter. That's the consequence in law. That's the consequence in law.
That will not help, Milord, in my respectful submission, Milord.
But how will you tell us, madam? How will you help the decree holder?
Milord, that is the way, Milord, I could help because I have disclosed all my assets.
It's
And-
worth of rupees, say 12 lakhs, 20 lakhs. How does it help?
Milord, arrest also will not, by arrest, Milord, also the dues will not be recovered.
Let him be there.
In that event also, the dues will not be
Let
recovered.
him be there. Let him be there. Let him enjoy the good airy atmosphere there. Let him be there for some time.
Milord, this cannot be, Milord, treated to be a solution to the,
Come on, tell me when he will be present.
Milord, any time, Milord, in the month of December, Milord.
No. 1 week.
This month, Milord, if this week he will not be able to come, Milord.
Very well.
I'll keep it
I'm directing him to
December.
come. If he doesn't come,
Milord, kindly keep
simply-
it in the month of December, Milord. After 30th of November, any date, Milord.
Very well.
We are on
Simply he
20th.
will be arrested.
After
will be-
30th of November,
Yes.
any date,
Ah,
Milord.
sure.
Any date after 30th of November.
Show me the decree.
My lord, it's part of the execution. My lord,
This is an application for execution of a decree.
it's right at the end of the execution petition. Because
Now, this is an application taken out by the plaintiff
For appointment of receiver injunction.
for release of a sum of rupees 10 lakhs deposited by the judgment debtor. আজকে কেউ আসেনি আমার নাকি?
Milord, there is a resolution of the bar not to attend, Milord. There is a resolution of the bar not to
But so
participate.
long you are appearing, parties
No,
are
Milord, I'm
appearing.
just submitting. I'm not taking
No.
this plea in this matter.
That you have not done.
Ah.
So why should I identify with your client?
Yes.
You are an officer of
Because
the
this
court.
is a matter, it will be taken up tomorrow if I do not attend tomorrow.
I'm passing my order. কি বললাম? Mr. Shomabo Ghosh, Learned Counsel, appears for the plaintiff decree holder.
Defendant nahi hai, sab
MS
defendant.
Manju Agarwal, Learned Senior Advocate, appears for the defendant judgment debtor. This is an application filed by the decree holder plaintiff praying for release of a sum of rupees 10 lakhs deposited by the judgment debtor in terms of an order dated March 28, 2024. Post. The decree was paragraph. Decree was made on
the decrees of my lord, November 10, 2022.
November 10, 2022.
Yes, my lord.
For a sum of rupees 2 crore, ঠিক মতো লিখবে বাবা, হ্যাঁ, rupees 2 crore 17 lakhs 27,224. Together with interest thereon at the rate of 12% per annum. Full stop. No appeal has been carried out from the decree, and the decree has been crystallized and put into execution. Nothing has been paid. And লিখো না তুমি।
Nothing has been.
Nothing has. Paragraph. Madam, nothing has been paid.
Milord, in fact, Milord, I had come into the picture, Milord.
I could have understood that at least 2 rupee has been paid out of 2
Milord,
crore.
that 10 lakhs, Milord, let my learned friend take,
Alright.
Milord, whatever has
কি
been.
বললাম? And has been put into execution. Paragraph. Mr. Learned Counsel for the plaintiff, Mr. Shomabho Ghosh, has informed this court that not a single farthing has been paid under the not a single penny, penny, has been paid under the decree. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned Senior Counsel M.S. Agarwal has informed this court that the judgment debtor, that the examination of judgment debtor is in progress and partly done. Full stop. Affidavit of assets has been filed by the judgment debtor. Paragraph. M.S. Agarwal further submits there are several outstandings payable to the judgment debtor in the commercial market. The particulars are also given. She submits those may be attached. Paragraph. According to after considering the said submission, this court is of the view that those claims at the highest can be considered as an actionable claim, which can be claimed by the judgment debtor, but the claims are not crystallized against those alleged debtors of the judgment debtor herein. Therefore, the question of attachment of those claims does not arise, at least at this stage.
And my lord has passed an order of injunction on 17th of September 2024 with regard to one of the properties, my lord.
With regard to?
Two properties.
One property which was not disclosed in the affidavit of assets, I cross-examined him and, my lord, I took out the asset. And according to my learned friend,
company where he is director,
he says that it's a mortgage property. So,
an order has been passed on September 17, 2024.
Yes, Lord.
Whereafter the judgment debtor has been injuncted from dealing with one of its properties.
Yes.
Full stop. Paragraph. Be that as it may, considering the above, the sum of rupees 10 lakh, which is lying with the
register
original site, shall be forthwith released with all accrued interest in favor of the plaintiff, positively within 2 weeks from the date of communication of this order. paragraph. Learned advocate on record for the plaintiff shall accompany the authorized representative of the plaintiff who shall receive the amount, full stop, the appropriate document authorizing such representative shall be filed before the registrar original site by way of an affidavit which shall be shown on behalf of the plaintiffs. The identity documents of the authorized representative shall also be made part of that affidavit. Full stop. Paragraph. Upon proper identification being done by the learned registrar original site in presence of the learned advocate on record for the plaintiff, the amount shall be made over to the said authorized representative of the plaintiff towards pro tanto satisfaction of the decree. Full stop.
पूरा है नहीं। Affidavit of assets. वो तो नहीं।
The further prayers made in the master summons for appointment of receiver and injunction shall be considered subsequently.
Injunction has been
Injunction
granted.
originally
my lord.
granted, my
It has
lord.
been granted, my lord.
But my lord,
That I have recorded, but I do not know what else is there.
no, receiver we would be praying for on the returnable date, my lord, because
No, so I can dispose it off. I cannot because the rest of the prayers are there. So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
keeping it
yes,
alive.
yes. Man, the
I have recorded that injunction is granted.
Yes, yes.
the interim order stand extended. Well, there was
Till when?
it was still until further orders or
So
whichever.
until further orders, my lord.
Full stop. The interim order passed on
My lord, September 17,
I've handed over to you.
September 17,
2024.
2024 stands extended and shall continue until disposal of the suit.
Of the
Of the
execution.
execution proceeding.
I'm so sorry. Until execution, until disposal of the execution proceeding.
And, my lord, I am seeking just one indulgence. My lord, lordship will give me 2 weeks time to file the affidavit to this application.
Come on the next day then. The judgment debtor shall be personally present before this court
After 30th, my lord.
on December 2, 2025, spelling which this court may proceed to issue warrant of arrest against
Please,
the
he will be
judgment debtor.
Great.
Thank you.
So great.
Deep reference. Auditor.
Affidavit file করবে time to file affidavit in opposition stands extended till আজকে কত 20 till November 26.
My lord, kindly give me till 30th because I shall give him an advance copy, but affirmation, my lord, he will do when he comes to Calcutta. Therefore, my lord, I shall supply them advance copy by 26th or 27th, my lord. But he can affirm the affidavit only when he comes, my lord. Till 30th, yes.
December 1, 2025. Full stop. Advance copy shall be served upon the learned advocate on record for the plaintiff within a week from date.
Deeply obliged.
You come ready with
I'll
the
with the
reply,
reply, yes.
I will take.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Great.
হ্যাঁ দেখে নিয়েছো ওরা দিয়ে দিয়েছো তো, পাঠিয়ে দাও।
My lord, I had handed over a copy of the
কি?
letter.
সার্ভার করতে পাঠিয়ে দাও, ও তো আমার পিএ করবে, দেবাশিসের কাছে পাঠিয়ে দাও, আর সার্ভারটা হয়ে গেলে কিন্তু কপি নিয়ে রেখে দেবে। ইয়েস,
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the plaintiff. This is my application to seeking leave to produce additional evidence. My lord, I tell your lordship what happened.
plaintiff,
Plaintiff.
order 11, rule 1, 9 and 10.
Yes, my lord.
Or let them
for
file
plain-
affidavit.
My lord, perhaps after hearing
It's a commercial matter. It's a commercial.
commercial matter, my lord, perhaps after hearing me, there would not, there may
Sir,
not.
I
be
will not hear it without affidavit. Because it is only the cogent cause whether you have shown or not.
I'll show your lordship
So
two
let them
sentences.
get a chance to deal with it.
Two sentences.
2 or 20 doesn't matter.
This document was not with me prior to May 2025.
Very well. Let them come up with an affidavit because the cogent cause. That's the. If they agree, I don't mind.
No, I can't agree.
I bow down to your lordship. My
It is
learned senior
cogent
friend knows.
cause, sufficient cause to be shown under 9 and 10. Sub rule 9 and 10. Right?
My lord, sub rule 5 for me.
In fact,
For me.
yesterday I have delivered
Yes,
the
yes, my
judgment.
lord, I'll be relying on that judgment.
I have delivered. It's served.
Yes,
Yes.
no, not yet served. Not yet served.
No, no.
I was searching for the judgment even this morning.
কি রে বাবা?
গতকালে যে জাজমেন্টটা দিল আইটেম 2 এ।
ও না 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 না, ঠিক আছে।
My lord, for defendant 9 and 10, for me rule 5.
Rule 5.
My lord, what we generally submit in respect of section 5 application, here also my lord.
I am saying the same thing, but let them have a. This is not something which is simpliciter section 5. It's a commercial code,
very well, my lord.
and the provision is subject to the satisfaction of the
Satisfaction of the
court.
court.
So they must get a chance to deal with it. The liberal view always, but they must. The procedure of justice must be complied with. The rules must be complied with. Ashun. The master summons. Now, the plaintiff in the master summons has prayed for leave to produce additional document after the disclosure is complete and written statement has been filed.
Witness action
Witness action PW1 is concluded.
PW evidence
Written statement has been filed and the examination of witness is in the progress. That is also not a bar. I have held.
No.
Because that the rules, sub rules does not limit the stage when.
First or never. Otherwise, if it is never, then there's the window, satisfaction of the court, reasonable.
There is no.
And then the end stage. There is no end stage.
It's an open-ended. Subject to the satisfaction
yes.
of the court.
Reasonable cause.
Reasonable cause, and it is like amendment at
I'll
any
tell you,
stage of.
I don't think you're cited. There's a Delhi High Court single bench, Docomo or something. I'll just bring that. So the single judge has explained or defined that reasonable cause, because in section 5 it's good
I
cause.
that. It is relied upon, and I said there ultimately the causes were not accepted to be reasonable.
Okay, in the facts.
Then I held, in my judgment, it's a perception of the court which varies from court to court.
Yes.
Depending on facts.
On the facts. And the time you come. But that's also important, I believe, the time to some extent. সেটা তো হবেই কম্পিউটার নয় রে বাবা
Achha, after the discovery is complete, full stop. The written statement has already been filed and the examination of the witness is in progress. এইভাবে লিখবে, হ্যাঁ, paragraph. considering the nature of the application, comma, the respondents, how many?
One.
Defendant oblique respondent shall file affidavit in opposition on or before December 10,
Yes.
2025.
10-15.
Huh?
It's 15 December.
December 10, 10th December. Affidavit.
Opposition. আজকে তো zero. We have.
What's that stage?
No, I was.
Juniors will draft now.
No, the last matter is still going on in my.
Acha, December 10, 2025.
না ঠিক আছে 10 তো অনেক
Affidavit in reply, if any, shall be by December 22, 2025. Paragraph, the matter shall appear under the heading Chamber Application for final disposal in the monthly list of January 2026.
My lord, may I pray for any specific day subject to my lord's?
I will be taking up the January monthly list, not to worry.
Well, only thing, in the last order, the commissioner's time was commissioner was to file his report by 12th December. My lord, let it be extended. Otherwise, I have to again take out another application. Kindly come to page 49.
12th December.
12th December, the commissioner has
too much time.
12th,
Sorry.
The matter is returnable in January.
Commissioner reported সঙ্গে কি সম্পর্ক?
The commission is told because unless this he wants to rely on this new document. Unless the new document this can be relied by PW2. He will bring in PW2 now.
আচ্ছা লেখো, if necessary, time of the commissioner to conclude the commission of the witness shall be extended depending upon the fate of this application. দিতে পারলাম তো?
Item number 7.
Last matter. Anybody appearing for a judgment letter. It's gone. I understood.
It is gone.
Commercial.
It is gone for last 10-15 days whenever I have come here.
I started texting my advocate on record in matters.
Comment deadly.
In
Lord, a decree of 2014, my lord, 25 lakh.
কি বলবেন?
Decree holder, my lord. Decree of rupees,
Which one is this?
item number 7, my lord.
Yes.
25 lakhs plus interest and cost 50,000. Nothing was
Not paid. When will you pay? Tell me.
My lord, I know my lord views, my lord, but
10 lakhs by next week? 15 lakhs, I will give you installment. Chalo, come on.
My lord, just my lord, matter came study, my lord. My lord, I was yesterday I taken time for instruction, my lord. I am not able to contact even that just now I have
I'm
tried to call.
passing my formal order. I will say that
No, no,
you have prayed
my
for
lord,
instruction, but no instruction has come.
My lord, my lord, I'm saying, my lord. Already, actually, my learned friend have disclosed my clients all the immovable assets, my lord. My learned friend is enjoying injunction over all the immovable properties.
Doesn't matter.
Even my lord, just listen on, my lord.
Yes, I have understood.
Even bank account, my lord, has been injunction they have obtained, my lord. So, they are not in a my lord, they will not lose anything, my lord. So
No,
just
not lose.
my lord, because my bank account, even my lord, bank account property. So just give me a time, my lord, to file an affidavit, my lord, a direction.
I will file the affidavit.
My client will be present, my lord.
You have to secure. You have to secure. Come on.
My lord, they are already enjoying injunction over bank account, my lord.
Injunction is nothing unless the color of money comes.
My lord, that's why
This is an execution application. কোথায় গেল মাস্টার সামন্সটা কই
my lord, there is no master summon, my lord. This is a
সেটা তো
tabular
হ্যাঁ
here
তো সেটা তো
ANC already allowed, my lord.
application মাস্টার সামন্সই থাকবে ট্যাবুলার স্টেটমেন্টটা তো থাকবে একটা সামান জিএ করেনি জিএ হ্যাঁ ট্যাবুলার স্টেটমেন্ট তো থাকবে
অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ডিসপোজড অফ ওটা হয়ে মাস্টার ওইটা
ঠিক আছে আমি দেখছি ওটা পরে আসুন লিখুন This is an execution application arising from a decree dated or arising now for execution of a decree dated
14th of August.
No, my lord, it's
12th of August. I'm sorry.
August 12,
14.
2014. Full stop. Paragraph. The tabular statement shows the decree was made for a sum of rupees 25 lakhs along with interest at the rate of 18% per annum. Paragraph. Mr. Your name?
Arnab Mukherjee.
Arnab
Mukherjee.
Mukherjee, learned advocate, appearing for the decree holder submits that no sum has been paid under the decree, not a part, not a penny has been paid under the decree. Paragraph. Previous orders shows, please listen to me. Previous orders passed in this execution proceeding would show that order of injunction has been passed on the bank account.
And immovable property, both, my lord.
And
immovable property.
Bank account and immovable property of the judgment debtor.
Mention in a paragraph 12 of this petition, my lord. Paragraph 21 of the affidavit in support of tabular statement, my lord.
Full stop. Paragraph. Affidavit filed?
No, not my lord.
Be that as it may, the judgment debtor shall secure a sum of rupees 10 lakhs on or before
My lord, kindly praying for affidavit directions, my lord. If my lord, no affidavit has been filed, my lord.
December 10, 2025, with the learned registrar original site. Paragraph. The learned registrar paragraph. The learned registrar original site, after the amount being furnished, shall keep it in an interest-bearing fixed deposit amount with any nationalized bank of his/her choice. And shall furnish a report before this court on the returnable day. The matter shall appear under the heading New Chamber Application on কবের মধ্যে সিকিউর করতে বলেছি?
10, lord.
December 16, 2025 for further direction.
My lord, direction for affidavit may be also, my lord.
On that day, first, because I do not know even now whether he will affirm the affidavit outside or inside. Let him come on that day.
My lord, he will be present, my lord, but actually I don't know the client situations, my lord. So I don't know whether
let him secure, then I shall come see.
I don't know, my lord, this financial.
All right, next.
Yes.
Arjun motion. Item number 8.
Appearing on behalf of the petitioner, I am in pursuant to the resolution. I am led by Advocate Praneet Bagh. In pursuant to the resolution, I am praying for not today.
All right. Next.
Item number 9.
My lord, in item number 9 and 10, I'm being led by Mr. Rachit Lakhmani appearing virtually.
These are my applications, my lord.
My lord,
all the parties are present.
Yes, my lord. My lord, as per the direction of the division bench.
Have you seen? Have you read the judgment?
Yes.
That only one spelling mistake is there.
Two, instead of viling, it ought to have been vile. Viling, it has gone down as viling towards the end.
Which one?
So WHILING should have been. So we are ignoring that.
Well, as per the direction of the learned division bench, my lord, we are filing the supplementary affidavit. We have already served them in this month.
Direction of the division bench.
My lord.
So they shall file affidavit.
Yes, I'll have,
my
to
lord,
deal,
they
with it. I'll have to deal with it.
Likhud.
But one more thing, there is a lapse on our part. There was an interim order which lapsed.
My lord,
yesterday.
this I completely oppose, my lord. This is
I'll
the
take out an
I can't.
application. I'll take out an
Application may be taken out.
I'll take out an application.
My lord.
This is an application for?
This is an application.
This is an application for injunction on them and certain securities that I want in respect of my claim.
These are suits which we have moved an application.
Yes, it's a money claim for money lent and advanced. And
all right,
whatever it is, but we have paid for the securities and injunction.
This is an application for injunction. Moved previously?
Yes, moved previously. There was an earlier application which was disposed of. Thereafter, this application.
No, this application?
This application.
Today is the first day.
No. This has been heard before. An order was passed. That was appealed against. Now it has come back.
My lord is taking up GA5. GA5.
Injunction.
GA4.
GA4, my lord, we would like to oppose. On last occasion, my lord, this application, there was an order on September 10 when parties failed to when defendant appearing, advocate appearing for the defendant failed to appear because there was no instruction on his part. There's a
today everybody is before me.
My lord.
Yes, my lord, we are all one.
May I please your lordship, my lord?
All the parties are not before me.
All the
There are
parties
several defendants.
Yes,
my
but
lord, I am
Oh,
appealing
you are for
the-
all.
the defendants.
there
Yes,
were
Milord,
four. Reference number 4 was
Milord.
struck out, and
Milord,
there are
I represent all the defendants in this matter. The defendants numbers 1, 2, and 3. The defendant number
Supplementary affidavit you are filing in this application.
My lord.
yes, my lord, in
This
GA
application.
in
Show
GA4.
me the appellate court order.
My lord,
Yes, that's my lord at page 58 of the supplementary affidavit that we propose to file.
we have
If
already.
your lordship may consider.
So what supplementary you will file? You have filed your affidavit in opposition.
My lord, we have filed in our
Yes.
affidavit of opposition.
Okay, then you have filed your reply.
yes. Now
All
the
right,
supplementary
all right,
affidavit
all right.
pursuant to
It's okay.
division bench's order.
My lord, may I just clarify, my lord, what has transpired? It'll just take a minute. My lord, after completion of affidavits, when the matter was being heard, an order was passed directing me, my lord, to secure 94 lakhs by not, my lord, operating my bank account without keeping 94 lakhs aside. Now, my only grievance really was that this security could have been given by, my lord, not alienating an immovable property, which I had offered, instead of not operating my bank account. The learned single judge, my lord, refused to agree with us and said that no, you secure only by way of money in bank. So, my lord, we went in appeal.
No, there was no order of security.
Yes, so my lord, the
There was an
appeal court,
injunction.
now, my lord, now, my lord, the learned appeal court, my lord, is of the view.
There was an order of security or order of injunction?
Order of injunction not to operate my
Yes.
bank account without keeping aside
Very
94.
well. Very well. Then
This is
what
to,
happened?
to secure the money claim.
Very
So, my
well.
lord, we went in appeal. Before the appeal court, my lord, we said that there's an alternative that we're offering, that this is an immovable
Then
property.
what happened? What happened to appeal court?
So, my lord, the learned appeal court, my lord, was of the view that the order which was passed was not the final order and that the GA4 is still pending before your lordship. Therefore, we must go back before your lordship, and the concerns or doubts which the learned single judge had raised in the impugned order, we should get a chance to file a supplementary affidavit clarifying those doubts before your lordship.
But now, what happened to the order?
And that your lordship would decide the matter afresh.
Not interfered with. It's
Not interfered.
What happened to the injunction order?
Not
No, my lord, that continues. That continues, but
You
your
have
lordship.
You have kept your amount separated.
My lord, we have kept our amount separated, but there is no order of extension of that injunction order. It was till the next day.
Doesn't matter. Have you kept it separated?
Yes, my lord. That we
I'll
have.
record that statement.
Yes, my
Milord,
have not touched that bank account.
we have been unable to, because of this order, my lord, our entire business has been paralyzed. Because, my lord, we have to meet expenses on the daily.
Pay off. Pay off.
My lord, on merits. My lord, may I just, my lord, say? My
no
lord, kindly
written
consider-
statement, admitted debt.
No, my
That is
lord,
confirmation.
kindly just consider for a moment, my lord, the learned appeal court's order, my lord, for a moment.
All
My
right,
lord,
we will consider. First, you file the supplementary. কি বললাম? Injunction. Paragraph. By an order dated that separation part.
Yes. But you'll kindly give me a moment. 26 September 2025 is the order. 26 September. এরকম ভাবে কিভাবে দেবো? ওটা স্টেপলও করা নেই। বাট স্টেপল করে দিন না একটু। The last page of the order which I just handed up.
এই এটার একটা আমার প্রিন্ট আউট দাও তো কাজে দেবে বলো দেখো ঠিক আসবে কাজে দেবে দেখো দেখো show me the order.
Lord, I have just handed up. The last page of the
By an order dated July 31, 2025, the coordinate bench in this application directed
Paragraph
defendant to set apart a sum of rupees 94 lakhs from the relevant bank account. Being aggrieved by the said order, an appeal was carried out by the defendant. Full stop. The parties informed that the said order has not been interfered with, but defendants were granted leave to file supplementary affidavit to bring certain facts before this court.
This is the division bench's order. This is the division bench's order disposing of
No,
the.
this is the subject.
Yes. That's what your lordship has said is right.
The order of the division bench is dated
29th October 2025.
October 29,
2025.
2025. Paragraph. In view of the above, দিয়েছো? হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে করে দিক। In view of the above, the ওটা বের করে দিলে না? হ্যাঁ এই 8 পয়েন্টে দিয়ে আমায় দিও, আমি একটু দেখবো, এই ঘরেই দিও। In view of the above, the supplementary affidavits filed today in court on behalf of the defendant is taken on record. Full stop. The plaintiff / petitioner, paragraph, shall file a rejoinder to the said supplementary affidavits counter to the said supplementary affidavits on or before December 10, 2025.
My lord, may I just point out, my lord, the learned appeal, my lord, in view of the urgency, the learned appeal court had directed that the counter would be filed within a week. There's a direction, my lord, in the
In a week from today.
29th
But it was served.
On 18th, my lord, it was served. So from 18th, it should be.
So where is your counter?
No, my lord, it was the supplementary affidavit was supposed to be filed within a fortnight from the date of the order, which
Within a
they have
fortnight.
not been able to do.
My lord, we are out of time by 5 days in filing the
Yes.
supplementary
What is the
affidavit.
point of entering into all that?
All right. আজকে কত তারিখ?
My lord,
20
today is the
November 27.
20th.
November 27,
So good.
2025. The matter shall appear under the heading adjourn motion on December 3, 2025.
And my lordship would record they have kept the amount aside in view of the previous
Full
order.
stop. The interim order passed by the coordinate bench as referred to above has already expired on
19th November, yesterday.
November 19, 2025, which was yesterday. Full stop. The said interim order stands reimposed.
Grateful.
I'm reimposing that. The said interim order stands reimposed till January 12th, 2026 or until further order, whichever is earlier.
Grateful.
My lord, in that event, can it be after 8th of December, my lord, the matter, because the client is traveling somewhere, if any instruction is sought to be taken?
No, your affidavit has been filed.
Yes, my lord, our affidavit has been
I
filed.
kept it on
3rd December. Instead of 3rd, can it be on 9th December?
Why?
My lord, it's completely unnecessary to postpone the matter. We are in a hurry to have it heard. In fact, I'm surprised, my lord, my learned friend is making such a prayer. My lord, kindly, my lord, hear it
You're
at
led
the
by
earliest.
him. All right.
We are only, my lord, hoping that, my lord, the matter is heard at the earliest so that, my lord, our bank account could be free and we could secure this claim
Thank you.
by alternative means.
Nine and 10 both. Similar order may be passed.
Item number 10.
Identical order.
Thank God
Or common order.
we would not have seen those days, these days. In CS,
Form
649 649 of 2024.
in CS Com 649
Yes.
of 2024.
Item number 9 ta koto?
649.
9 ta 649.
As both the suits are connected, this application may also appear, shall appear on
3rd December.
December 2025 under the heading adjourn motion.
I'm grateful for that.
হয়ে গেছে, দেখো next.
My
Passed over.
application.
Next.
11, 12, 13 were connected.
Item number 14. Item number 15.
চলো চলো হুড়ু করে দেখো।
Item number 18. Item number 19. Item number 20.
চলো চলো ডেকে দাও হুড়ু করে।
21. Item number 22. Item number 23. Item number 24. Item number 25. Item number 26. Item number 27.
27, my lord. I know the other side is not here. My lord, your lordship remembers this that matter where your lordship, my lord, had passed an order, my lord, rejecting an application for revocation of section 12A leave. Your lordship remembers, my lord, Mr. Shuddha Satya Banerjee was appearing on the other side. It was the second or third day of your lordship's taking over the determination. There were three matters, my lord, where, my lord, your lordship had pointed out that the other side was approaching the company law board trying to get a scheme made out where my entire money of 1 crore which was due and payable was being attempted to be brought down to around 19 lakhs, and after that, my lord, they had also disposed of a property at nearly the same time when we had approached your lordship's court. Now, my lord, I was only humbly submitting, my lord. My lord, on that day, my lord, again there was a 3:30, so your lordship could not take up the matter. Now, no, my lord,
আছে আছে লিস্টে থাকবে।
and if it could be some precedent, because or else, my lord, I am not getting a chance to do the matter. It's going down the list, my lord. If your lordship kindly considers, my lord.
No, next. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
No, no,
Sorry.
But because, my lord, here what is happening, my lord, they are approaching the bench,
Next,
my lord. That is my problem, my lord.
Sorry, sir.
Huh?
Next.
They are hiving
But
out the
Mr. Ray, these type of where we are hitting to, these are the days. His junior is submitting.
These are
So many things are to be learned, not only on everything on
I
books
think,
and
my lord, that
papers.
is our fault because we are not teaching. And maybe, my lord, they call it the key.
Item number 28.
My lord, 28 also, my lord, the same matter, my lord.
Next, দেখে যাও।
Yes, my lord.
Next.
32. Item number chamber application for final disposal. Item number 33. Item number 34. Item number 35. Item number 36. Item number 37. Item number 38. Item number 39. Item number 40. Five. Item number 40.
তো আজকে নয়, ঠিক আছে ডেকে দাও। সেকেন্ড হবে, ডেকে দাও দেখো।
Item number 47. item number 48, item number 49, item number 50,
ব্যাস আর ডেকে লাভ নেই না বাকিটা তো লট বি এটা আগে
Lord,
শেষ
may
হতো
I mention one matter, my lord?
take the microphone.
May I mention one matter, my lord? 30 and 32, my lord. 31, 32. My lord, this was fixed today, my lord. The reply was filed day before yesterday.
Interim order is expiring today.
No, my lord. I am from the respondent.
Chalo.
So it may be listed on 26.